Hello my lovely Aquarius, how are you doing all? I hope you are doing well. Wherever you are my magical beings. This is your love reading. This is your bonus love reading for October 2020. Okay. Time is not, I'm not putting any time on it because this can be, applied on you within 1 week. Okay. So let's see what the universe is having for you. What are the messages I need to deliver to my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world? This is your bonus love reading. I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can leave it out, Aquarius, okay? Because it's not going to resonate with everyone. And yes, you can check out your main reading, which I posted on my YouTube channel before this video. That's your main reading, and these are your messages for bonus readings, okay? Extra messages. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Chariot. Chariot, Aquarius. Wow. Charge ahead with confidence. Stay strong and focused. Yeah, Aquarius. Because I have done your main reading, and in that reading, you are leaving the toxic people and person and relationship behind. Yeah, that's call out. Plain. A journey is indicated either physically or metaphorically. Your life will become more full. Beautiful energy, Aquarius. Plain. Journey is indicated either you are going to travel soon or new journey is there. 2 cards plop out. Wow. Sun. Beautiful energy, Aquarius. And Judgment is there. Open your heart to the enormous growth ahead, Aquarius. And soul searching will bring inner peace to many areas of your life. Beautiful energy, Aquarius, ahead. Sorry for the disturbance because right now I'm at other place. Okay. So yeah, either you are going to do a journey either by plane or metaphorically. Okay, Aquarius. And new beginnings are happening because you are ending a cycle. You're completing a karmic cycle and moving towards a new direction. Can you see this? How bright this sun is. So yeah, you're moving ahead. New beginnings is there in your life. Judgment is there and it's in your favor. Soul searching will bring inner peace. Some of you Aquarius are making judgments. And that's very nice, Aquarius. You're making right the judgment. Any other message for you? Help me out to give the best positive messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Any other message? Positive readings. Key. See again an indication. Key. New beginnings. Directions and adventures await for those ready to let go of the past. Yes, you need to let go of the past. You need to release the burdens whichever you are carrying right now. You need to release because beautiful energy is waiting for you. Sun is there. In the main reading also, I can say you Aquarius, there was death card. There was world card. So you are completing the old cycle and you are starting a new cycle. And this is very beautiful energy. Sun. You are completing a cycle and key is there. New beginnings are waiting for you, Aquarius. But you need to let go of your past. Let go of the past. Let go of those toxic things which you need not to carry with you, Aquarius. Okay? You need to let go of those past. So yeah, Aquarius, these were the 4 messages which I got for you. Either you are going to take a journey through plane, and if you are doing a journey, please take care of your health, Aquarius, because you know this COVID is everywhere in the world. So you need to take the safety measures. Okay, Aquarius, take care of your health. Or this is your new journey of your life. Sorry. You're starting a new journey in your life. Because the next card is Sun. Very beautiful energy, Aquarius, for you. You're starting new beginnings in your life, in your career, in your love life, in your relationships. Everywhere the new things are coming your way. But you need to release this. You need to release the burdens. Let go of the past because new beginnings, direction and adventures are waiting for you, Aquarius. Can you see you are having a key? Judgment is there in your favor. Either you are taking a judgment or the divine is taking the judgment for you. Because some of you Aquarius are searching inner peace in your areas. And soul searching, by doing soul searching you are getting it. So let's see what more messages I can deliver with this Moonology deck. I love my decks, you know this. Every time I told you this. So let's see what are the messages. Okay. Wow. 3 messages have come out. Take time to breathe out, Aquarius. Yeah, you can take a time out for yourself, Aquarius. You need to take a time out to breathe out. You can go into nature and take some fresh air and sun. Okay, Aquarius. So right now the time has come to take time to breathe out. And the answers you need are coming your way. The answers you are finding, the answers you are looking, 0550 was the time right now. Okay, so yeah, the answers you need, they are coming your way. You will get your answers, whatever answers you are looking for. Balance, spirituality and practicality. Sorry, I can't pronounce it. Practicality. You need to balance it. Okay, maybe you are so emotional right now, but you need to balance it. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, see, this is again have come. It's time to release negativity. It's time to let go those deceptive moon energy. You don't deserve this, Aquarius. Okay, you are very close to achieving your goal. That's your next message. So you need to release this negativity. The time has come to release. Full moon in Scorpio. Some of you are dealing with the water sign, Aquarius. Water is very highly indicated in your main reading too. Okay, so you need to release this toxic behavior, negativity from your life, and you are very close to achieving your goal. Whatever goal you are right now achieving, you need to achieve, you are going to achieve very soon. You are very close to it. Just you need to release this negativity and balance yourself, Aquarius. You can go out and take some fresh air, be in the natural call, because nature is very good healer, Aquarius. I can say you that. And the answers you are finding, the questions, you are having some questions, you are finding the answers are coming your way. Let me see any other message for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out, guide God spirits, angel spirits, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to give the best positive messages. If you need to deliver me to all my Aquarius all over the world. Let me see what are the messages. What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Wow. What flip out? A new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. 0808 is the time. Okay. So yeah, new romantic cycle is waiting for you, Aquarius. And see what I'm having bottom of the deck. A new start is coming. Beautiful, Aquarius. It's time to release negativity, burdens from your life, Aquarius. You don't deserve it at all. I'm saying this again and again and again. In the main reading also, this was your main reading too. You can have a look on that reading too, so that you can clarify, you can get your answers. Okay, Aquarius, and I'm also telling you this, that it's time to release those negative, toxic negativity, people, person, situation, relationships from your life, because you don't deserve that. Okay, Aquarius, my Aquarius are born with intuitions. You are the magical beings, Aquarius. You are the star. You are the new hopes, desire. You give new hopes and desire to other people, Aquarius. So you deserve the best. You are the best, Aquarius. So yeah, new romantic cycle, it's waiting for you. Okay, that's what I was getting you from this Moonology. New start is waiting for you, Aquarius. And beautiful messages. Thank you, Moonology deck, for giving the best messages for my Aquarius. Let me use this activation oracle. Let's see what oracle wants to tell you. Okay. And it just flip out. Romantic love. Okay, Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from this oracle. Let's pull out some oracle cards for you. What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Help me out to give the best positive messages which my Aquarius need to know. Please guide God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to give the best positive messages. What are the messages I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world? Help me out to give the best positive messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. These two cards flip out. Okay. Root chakra is bottom of the deck. I'm having root chakra. Okay. Tantric journey and integration. Frequency of integration supports our embrace of every aspect of ourselves, allowing what we perceive as positive and what we perceive as negative to harmonize in a balanced symphony of life. Yes, Aquarius, this is very important message, Oracle, for you. Very important message for you. Sorry guys, I'm not at home. Today is very special day in my life. Today I become, in India we call Bua Ji, okay? So today my brother's son's birthday is there. So yeah, I'm here to celebrate it. And I'm very happy. And in English I can say I become aunt today, okay? So yeah. Second was Tantric Journey. The frequency of Tantric Journey help us to unlock the hidden knowledge and wisdom that we are increasingly hold about how to reach a state of wholeness and in completion through a sensual experience with ourselves and with another. Yes, Aquarius, you need to Cosmic Flower. The frequency of cosmic flowers activates our remembrance of place we call home, the core from which we pour our magnificence out into our world. You need to do these three things. So these were the three messages from this Oracle. Thank you, Oracle. You need to activate these three things so that you can get out some of those negative things. Let me see what are the messages from the animal spirit guides. Let me see, Aquarius, what are the animal spirits messages from you for you? Sorry, I'm very excited, Aquarius. Today there is a function at my home. Okay, my small baby turns 1 today, so you can wish him to a very happy birthday in the comment section. Okay. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius all over the world? So let's see. What are the messages? What animal spirits, guys, got? Okay, it was fast. Cow spirit, wow. The miracles are endless. Beautiful, Aquarius. The miracles are endless. Cow spirit has come for you. Let me see what else has come for you. White raven spirit, trust in the magic. Yeah, Aquarius, you need to trust it. And if these two combination, I can tell you that the miracles are happening in your life once. The magic, the miracles will happen in your life once you believe on it. If you don't believe in it, it will not happen, Aquarius. Okay, so you need to believe on it. Okay, trust in the magic. The miracles are endless. You're moving towards something very beautiful is coming towards you, Aquarius, your way. What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world? Help me out. Guide God, spirits, and fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to give. Okay. Beggar spirit, be fearless and bold, Aquarius. Don't fear at all. Okay. Don't fear at all. Be very fearless and bold. Take a decision. Yeah, I know this decision is very very tough for you, Aquarius, but you need to take the decision because, oh wow, Owl Spirit, you see clearly now, Aquarius. You don't have any confusion. You know what is right and what is wrong for you. Chariot was also there. So these are the 4 animal spirits messages from you, Aquarius. Yeah, see what I'm having right now at bottom of the deck. Skunk Spirit, know your worth. You deserve best, Aquarius, in the world. And that's what you will get it once you believe it. You know this person is very toxic. You need to release it. You need to release this energy. Let go of this person so that new things can come, so that miracles will happen. You need to trust in the magic. Be fearless and bold, okay, Aquarius? So yeah, these were the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. I'm going to do one more reading in which I'm going to do your soulmate reading, Aquarius, what your soulmate is thinking right now. And I'm going to add messages from the universe and the power of surrender deck, the things which you need to release, because we need to surrender some things in life so that we can achieve some goal in the life, Aquarius. So let's see. And the energy deck, energy oracle deck. So I will add oracle in the next video. That would be your more bonus reading, Aquarius, because I was unaware to post a video for you as I'm busy. Okay, Aquarius, I'm busy in celebrating birthday party for my son, I can say. Okay, so yeah, these were the messages. These were the bonus messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like it. And if you want to ask something, Aquarius, you can comment in the comment section, and do let me know if you want to ask anything. Okay, so see you soon, Aquarius, in my next video.